ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
I'm just going to define a concept called division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Just write the subheading division algorithm. Division algorithm. Dealing with numbers, we have one algorithm which is in terms of division. This is division algorithm. I will just explain what it is. Take two positive integers a and b such that a is greater than b. A, b are integers. A, b, a greater than b, a, b are integers is the given data. Then there exists a unique pair of q and r satisfying, then a is equal to bq plus r. That means there exists, I am writing in words, there exists unique pair q and r such that 0 less than or equal to r less than b. This expression or expressing a in terms of q and r with the help of b is called division algorithm. It is very confusing for you because I expressed this in terms of a, b, a greater than b, a, b are real numbers, a, b are integers, and we found two unique numbers q and r satisfying this kind of expression. So I'll just write the same thing in terms of one example. I'm erasing this, afterwards I'll define it, don't worry. This is a little confusing because the whole thing is expressed in terms of letters. Now I will take this. Take 13, 4. 13 and 4 are two integers. Am I right? Yes. They are integers. I don't need to write it. Take 13. In your class 6 or very elementary classes, you learned how to do it. Divide by 4. How many times? 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 12. What is this? 1. So how do you write this? 13 is expressed as 4 into 3 plus 1. Now I am superimposing this. A, B are integers. A, B are integers such that A is greater than B. Here 13 is greater than 4. Am I right? 13 is bigger number. In that case, there exists a pair of integers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r. You look at this, This is the definition. This is the definition part. This is example part. So try to look at the example part. I will give you one more example. One more example I am giving. Take 20 comma 6. How do you express that in terms of a division algorithm, finding out two unique pair of numbers? How to do that? 20, take 20, divide by 6. How many times? 3 times, 18. What is the remainder? 2. So express 20 in terms of 6 into 3 plus 2. This 3 and 2 are Q and R. It is a unique pair. Unique pair means what? This is the only possible pair. You do not have any other pair possible. It is not possible to find out in a different way. You can't write this 13, which is 4 into 3 plus 1, as a different form. You can't express this 13 is equal to, you can't express this in a different form. BQ plus R. B is equal to 4, Q is equal to 3, R is equal to 1. What is the condition here for R? There is a very, very important condition for R. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. That condition needs to be followed. If you don't follow, you may get several types of numbers. So let me take one more example and explain the same. 20 is written as 6 into 3 plus 2. Now I take 80 comma 8. Are they two integers? Yes. What is the biggest integer? 80. What is the smallest integer? 8. Take 80, divide this, take 80, divide this with 8. Bigger one should be divided by smaller one. How many times? 10 times. 8, 0. So how do you write this? 80 is written as 8 into 10 plus 0. A is equal to B times Q plus R form. Understood this? What is the form here? A equal to BQ plus R. What are the given numbers? A and B. This is A, this is B. A is greater than B. This needs to be followed. Greater number is always given with A. So whenever you are given two integers A, B, such that A greater than B, A can be expressed in the form of BQ plus R. This expression, writing this A in the form of BQ plus R, is division algorithm. This is also called as Euclid's division lemma. This is also called as Euclid's division.
Students, my name is Vishal Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur in electrical engineering. I have an experience of more than 12 years in preparing IIT JEE aspirants for this examination. Under me already more than 100 students have cracked this IIT JEE examination. Right now I am associated with K. Venkana classes. Now K. Venkana classes, for the first time in Hyderabad, it has brought your top Delhi, IIT and NITN faculties. Now what are you waiting for? Come and join us and realize your dream of getting into IITs.
Lemma. The name of this is not that important, but the theory is very important. So after this, we will go ahead with HCF and LCM. I will explain that concept also, and afterwards I will tell you how to find HCF of two given numbers when you are given the examination with the help of division algorithm. You know how to find HCF in your class 8. That part we are not doing in class 10. With the help of division algorithm, how to find HCF. That part is in our class 10. I will take that. Before that, let me take up what is HCF. HCF stands for, tell me, one of you can tell me what is HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. What is LCM? Lowest common multiple is small, in short written as LCM, lowest common multiple, highest common factor. Remember that. HCF, LCM. In Telugu, what is LCM? Kasagu. Kasagu antaru. Kanishta Samanya Gunijamu. HCF, what is HCF in Telugu? Garishta Bhagaharamu antaru. I don't recollect that in Telugu, but it is called HCF only in Telugu also. We generally write HCF. So, in short, I will explain what is LCM and HCF by taking two numbers. I want to find LCM of 3 and 5. 3 and 5. What are the multiples of 3? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, and 3 into 6, 18, so on. They are called multiples. 5 multiply. 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, so on. Look at the two numbers. Look at the multiples. Is there any common multiple? 3, is 3 common? No. 6 common? No. 9 common? Not there. 12 not there. 15 appears to be a common multiple. Am I right? For these two numbers, when you look at the multiples, what are the multiples we have? 15. Like this, 3 into 10 is 30. 5 into 6 is 30. You will get 30 also is common. So, common multiples. What are the common multiples? 15, 30, 45, like this. In 45, you can see 3. How many times it will go? 15 times. 45, 5 will go 9 times. So, these are all common multiples. We want to find least among the common multiple. 15, 30, what is the smaller one? 15. 30, 45, what is the smaller one? 30. Again 30 and 15, what is the smaller one? This is small. This is the small among the common multiples. This is the least among the common multiples. Among the common multiples, whatever is least, that is called least common multiple. Understood this? This knowledge you have already learnt in class 8. This knowledge is necessary for doing some problems in our class 10. That is the reason I made you to recollect this. Similarly, we will take HCF also. This is LCM part. This you recollected. HCF part also I will tell you. Take 10. Take 16. I want to find the HCF, highest common factor of 10 and 16. For that, what is common factor? I will just tell you. Take 10, it is written as 1 into 10. Am I right? 2 into 5. Can you write any other product? 10 is written as 1 into 10, 2 into 5. Is there any other possibility? No possible. Not possible. So, how many factors are there? Factors, I am writing factors here. 1 is a factor of 10, 2 is a factor of 10, 5 is a factor of 10, 10 is a factor of 10. So, you can look at this, I am putting the arrow like this, 1, 2, 5, 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. This way you can find. 16, you do it in the same way. 1 into 16 is equal to 2 into 8. 3 will not go. 4, how many times? 4 times. 4 has already come here. You have arrived 4, seen 4 here also. There is no other possibility. You put the arrow like this and write all the common factors. Factors 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. What are these numbers called? Factors of 16. What are these numbers? Factors of 10. Now I want common factors. What are common factors? Is 1 common? Yes, you can see 1 common. 1 is the common factor. Again, can you see 2 here and there? Yes, 2 is a common factor. 5 is seen here but not here. 4 is seen here but not here. Next, 8 available here, not available. 10 available here but not here. So there is no common factor. That's it. How many common factors are there? 1 and 2. So what is the common factors? 1 and 2. What is the highest among 1 and 2? This 2. This is called the common factor, which is highest. This is called HCF. So in order to find the highest common factor, we have to take the 2 numbers, write all the factors, list out them in the ascending order. Second number, list out all the common factors, and in the ascending order, look at the common factors by comparison, find the highest, that is the highest common factor. There is a method for finding HCF of 10 and 16. When you are given 10 and 16, you must take the bigger one inside, smaller one outside. How many times it will go? 1 time. What is the remainder? 6. Now this becomes the number and this goes inside. So divide. You have to divide by 6. How many times? 1 time. What is the remainder? 4. Now you are going to divide 6 with 4. So again take 6 here and divide with 4. How many times? 1 time. 4. What is the remainder? 2. And this number needs to be divided. 4. How many times? 2 times. 4. 0. When you get 0, look at this. When you get 0, 2 is the highest common factor. The moment you get 0, your pressure is stopped. You got HCF. What is highest common factor here? 2. This is by the method you learnt in your class 8 or 9. This is by theory. Highest common factor of 2 numbers can be found out with this way. Understood that? So in class 10, we can find the highest common factor by factorization method using algorithms. That part we'll take up in few minutes. All of you just write down in your notebooks.